So let's have a look at these examples. So in every city, in every man, in every hotel, in every country, on every continent, in every city, in every pub or restaurant, in every bar, every corner, there's a man. In every city, every man, every hotel. Okay. For want of a nail, for want of a nail, for want of a shoe, for want of a horse, for want of a knight, for want of a battle, for want of a war, for want of a kingdom. So here we're talking about missing one thing. That one thing, a nail. Missing the nail, we miss the shoe. We miss the shoe, we miss the horse. Miss the horse, miss the knight. Miss the knight, miss the battle. Miss the battle, miss the war. Miss the war, miss the kingdom. So one small thing can envelop and compound and get worse and worse and worse. It was the best of times. It was the worst of times. It was the age of wisdom, and I believe it was the age of foolishness, or something to that effect. It was the age of something. It was. Yeah. And we got a nice little duet here in a way. Best of times, worst of time. Age of wisdom, age of folly, age of foolishness. Best and worst of times, wisdom and fool. Nice. Yeah. I like the second one as well. For want of a nail. One small thing missing. For missing a nail, we miss a knight. For we miss a horse, we miss the battle, we miss the war, we miss the kingdom. How cool is that? Very poetic. In every city, there's a place. In every man, there's a mood. In every hotel, there's a room, I guess. Yeah. Nice repetition of meaning. It was the best, for want in every. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.